In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a paid Telegram channel on your phone or on desktop. So first what you want to do, go to Telegram, and then we are going to create a new group. So you want to select new channel right here, because we want to make a new channel, hit create channel and then do the channel name. So I just do test 1 just for this video, and then do your description, just undo test 2, just enter in what you want, then hit next with the top button, and now you want to make it private, and then hit the top button again. And now you can add subscribers if you want, but you can leave this. And now you successfully created the first step, which is the channel. Now you want to go back and you want to hit the search button. You want to type in invite member, because this is an invite bot that we want to add to the channel. That's a requirement. So if you want to add it, just go to it and then hit start, and then you get this, and you have to accept the terms. And now you want to add a new project, so hit new project. So I do test 1, but basically you do whatever you want. Then select paid Telegram channel. Hit page Telegram channel, and then you want to create it. We already done that, so hit done. And now we have to add the invite member bot to the channel admins. So we are going to do that. Go back to test 1, go to the 3 dots, or go to the name, and then go to admins, and you want to add an admin. You want to type in invite member, just like this, and then add it, and just hit it add like this. And now go back to the chat with the invite member bot and hit done. And now it says to connect the channel, please forward a message from the channel. So go back to the channel and then type something. So I do test 3, just type something, it doesn't matter. Then hit the send button and send it to invite member. And there we go, now it is activated. And now it says, what currency would you like to charge your customers in? So the first 3 are USD, Euros, or Bitcoin. But if you hit more, you can see all these currencies. So for this, I'm going to select USD. And then when you go down, you can see how often would you like your members to pay. You can do it every month, every year, or even every day, or basically anything that you can select it here. So let's select every month, and then how much will they pay? You can select the amount. So let's do $5 a month. If you hit 5, it says please open a chat with Botfather and create a new bot if you want to. But this is basically how you can create a paid Telegram channel, so that the people can pay and you can earn money. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.